everyone, I'm Kat, founder of Clear Unity Bags. I'm so thrilled because today I'm going to share with you my favorite bag. This is the Roundie. It's $29. It comes with two straps. It comes with a grab and go wristlet, easy to use, fun. It also comes with a longer shoulder strap, which is adjustable. Personally, I like to use it with the glam straps. I'm going to show it to you with the pink glam strap today. So these are fun. So the pink has a little green on the edge, and then the blue has a little bit of a reddish pink, which give a little pop and playfulness. So the glam straps, I'm showing it to you with the pink, but you can see it'll go well with the gray. Teal is really pretty with both of these bags. The brown goes with everything, the blue, and then the red and white, which is really popping. So this can be used as a short shoulder strap, which is great. Grab and go, fun with a sundress. And then you can also extend it and have it be kind of a longer shoulder bag. Again, you can wear it out, you can wear it to a festival. I'll show you how I like to use it because I like to be hands-free. So I will do it as a crossbody like this. Over to the side, you see how it has like a smaller profile, or you can kind of wear it to the back. And it has a zipper so you know it's secure. It also has this round hook on it so you can put on a keychain or a charm, as you guys know I like to do. But I'm going to show you just how much it holds. So again, this is a vinyl, which is really easy to clean, and a vegan leather. So super soft and easy to get in and out of. I've got my lip balm, I've got my phone case, I've got a wallet, sunblock always, all kinds of lip glosses, and sunglasses, kind of thick sunglasses, sunglass case, and then a scrunchie. So it really holds a lot, and yet it's just small, fun, and playful. And again, NFL compliant, of course. So check these out. Let me know what you think. This is the Roundie, $29, and these glam straps are $19. All right, see you next time. Thanks, guys.